What's up, online shoppers? Look at this. I just got a brand new package of these Real Techniques mini miracle sponges, and they are awesome. So when you order them, you get them in this nice little package of 4, which is great because you can also just slip these in your bag for travel or at the gym so that you never get stuck without them. Now these ones here are really great for the light to medium coverage. Let's open up this package and take a look at these awesome little sponges. Super cute, but also super functional. So here they are, like that, nice and squishy. Now these are really great little makeup sponges. They're great for doing blending that gives you a really nice natural dewy finish, and they have such tiny little micro pores in them that blending is just like butter. Everything goes nice and smooth, and the coverage with these is so fantastic. Now these are really well suited for things like foundation, skin tints, and also illuminators. And also, you gotta just talk about how cute the color palette is of these. Just adorable. Now, one thing I do know is that they often recommend that you clean these about once a week using their Real Techniques brush and sponge cleansing gel. But truthfully, if you don't have that on hand, a little bit of baby soap does wonders, cleans them up, and it keeps them in good shape for all your makeup blending purposes. If you're looking for a really great little makeup sponge, these ones here are adorable. I love how small they are. They're so good for getting in the tiny little places like close to your eyes and around your nose. They are fantastic. I love them. I always keep a set in my gym bag, and for travel, they're nice and compact, and they are definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.